What's up, YouTube? So I got to finish up my 2005 Ford F-150. If you're following along, we did the Bose Touch 10-inch screen. We have Tara amps, 12,001. We have two American base subs, X-Max, wired down to half ohm. All types of components wired in here. I pulled out the whole back seat. So the one on the driver's side is gone. The passenger side I did put back in. This thing is insane. Like, this is home theater quality to the max. This thing bangs. For $1,200 for two subs. I think the box was $200, and I ordered it, for those speakers. It's at 34 hertz. It's tuned to. That's what they say. Sure as hell sounds like it, feels like it. But yeah, I was able to get the back seat back in. I was actually get the upper part back on the deck there. I got a rattle that's super bad in the top here. I got to get that apart and see what that is. But the rest of the truck is solid when this thing bangs. The voltage seems to be pretty killer. When the bass is banging, it's 13.4, 13.9. It responds real good with the JS alternator. Little disappointed with that. I don't know what my expectations were. I expected at 320 watts or 320 amps, and two batteries, O gauge everywhere, big 3 upgrade. Then it'd be a little bit more stable, along with a 50 farad that's under the back seat. I might have to go with the lithium, limitless lithium, and see how that holds, because I would like to see the voltage stay more consistent without having to add 2 alternators. But hopefully I don't have to do that. It's not horrible, but it's pretty close. But yeah, this was a fun build. So I bought a Toyota Sequoia. That's next.